Hello and welcome to Kitsimus. This is my channel, and this particular video is going to be covering the build of the RC10B6.4D. I want to give a shout out to Lyndon at Demon Models. Thank you very much for supplying the buggy at a fantastic price, and thank you very much for all the support you've given me. Really appreciate it, and you've definitely found yourself a loyal customer there. Right, onto the build guide. What I want to show you now is the instruction manual, and then I'm going to go through each step of the build. Each one's going to be a short video broken up, so I'll put it all in a playlist and you're able to watch those. But now over to the instruction manual. So here is the instruction manual. It's really nice, it's really clear. I've never built an associated buggy before, but I've had a flick through the manual and I've been really impressed with it. What I particularly like is, if I turn it around, on the first page it's got this fold out. Now this fold out has got all the different screws, all the bearing sizes, ball studs, all the different parts, and they're all there in 1:1 scale. And then as you work through the manual you can keep this page separate, so just make sure that you select the right part. Each stage of the build, it tells you which bag you're going to be using, which components. So I've just been very impressed with this. If you watch the unboxing video, you'll have seen that each of the bags is clearly labelled. So I'm really excited about this build, and please watch the next video, which is going to be step 1. Thanks for watching.